Imagine this, you're struggling to make sales. Bills are piling up, you're exhausted, then suddenly, someone leaves behind a wallet. Not just any wallet. A wallet packed with cash, premium cards, more money than you've ever seen in your life. No one's watching. What would you do? This is the story of a cookie stand, a powerful ranch owner, and a decision that changed to lives forever. Let's begin. The sun had barely risen. Mist floated across the open fields. A young woman named Maya stood behind her tiny cookie stand across from the massive Silver Creek Ranch. Business had been painfully slow. She checked her cash box, almost empty. "Please," she whispered, "just a few customers today." Right then, a tall man in a crisp shirt walked up, adjusting his watch. "Good morning," he said warmly. "Smells amazing over here." Maya brightened instantly. "Good morning, sir. Would you like to try some?" "I'll take a small bag," he replied. "Something sweet for my coffee, of course. What's your favorite?" he chuckled. Surprised me as she packed the cookies, his phone rang. "Yes, I'm almost back at the ranch. Give me 5 minutes." He paid and turned to leave. "Sir, your change," Maya called. He waved casually. "Keep it." "You earned it." Her eyes widened. "Thank you, really. Kindness on a day she needed it most." But just seconds later, she spotted something left behind. A wallet. Thick, heavy, very heavy. "Sir, wait, too late." He had already crossed the road toward the ranch gates. Maya slowly opened the wallet. Her breath caught. Stacks of cash. Several platinum cards, an ID card, name Adrian Cole, title owner, Silver Creek Ranch owner. Her heart pounded. "This is more money than I've ever held," she whispered. For a split second, temptation flickered. Rent was overdue, supplies were low, she could solve everything. But then she closed the wallet firmly. "No, it's not mine," and she marched toward the ranch. A broad-shouldered ranch employee stepped in front of her. "Hold it, what are you doing here?" "I'm not here to cause trouble," Maya said nervously. Mr. Adrian Cole dropped his wallet. The man's eyes narrowed. "Adrian Cole doesn't drop things. He owns this place, I know. I just want to return it." The man glanced at the wallet. "It's full of cash." "Huh?" She nodded. He extended his hand. "I'll give it to him." She hesitated. "You promise?" He forced a smile. "Of course, I work here." After a moment, she handed it over. "Thank you for doing the right thing," she said softly. He watched her walk away. Then his expression changed completely. The employee's name was Derek, and Derek had never seen that much money up close before. He opened the wallet. His eyes widened. "This is insane. Stacks upon stacks, and these cards," he muttered. "He'll never notice." A dangerous idea formed. "I'll just say I found it empty." By that evening, Derek had already hidden the cash. Derek walked into the ranch office dramatically. "Sir, I found your wallet outside near the gate." Adrian stood up immediately. "My wallet?" "Thank goodness." He opened it. Silence. Then slowly, "It's empty." Derek pretended to look confused. "That's how I found it, sir." "Someone must have taken everything." Adrian stared at him calmly. "The cards are canceled already," he said. "The cash wasn't much, a few thousand at most." Derek blinked. "That's good." Adrian nodded slowly. "What matters most are the documents." Replacing those would have been exhausting. He placed the wallet down. "I appreciate you bringing it back." Derek straightened proudly. "If you continue showing responsibility like this," Adrian added thoughtfully, "I might consider you for a management position soon." Derek grinned. But he didn't notice Adrian's eyes. Cold, calculating, watching. The next morning, Derek was summoned again. This time, the ranch's legal advisor was sitting inside, and a large screen was playing security footage. Derek's stomach dropped. The video showed everything: Maya returning the wallet, Derek taking it, Derek removing the cash. The room went silent. "You were correct about one thing," Adrian said calmly. "Losses happened." Derek couldn't speak. But integrity, Adrian continued, is non-negotiable. Derek was dismissed immediately. No promotion, no second chance, just consequences. Later that day, Adrian crossed the road himself. Maya looked startled. "Sir, did you get your wallet?" "Yes," he smiled. "And I also saw what you did." Her heart skipped. "You saw I have cameras at my gates?" Her face flushed. "You could have kept everything," Adrian said. "No one would have known." She shrugged gently. "I would have known." That answer made him smile wider. He placed an envelope on her table, inside a contract and enough funding to turn her small cookie stand into a cafe. "I need suppliers for the ranch," he said. "And I need honest people even more." Tears filled her eyes. "All because you chose integrity." Here's the truth. Opportunities don't always knock politely. Sometimes they test you. When no one is watching, when temptation is loud, when excuses are easy, who are you? Because character is built in private, but rewarded in public, and one honest decision can change your entire future. See you in the next story.